They busy running their mouth. I'm a real ass, rich ass bitch from the south.
I caught myself washing my hair yesterday. I did pick it out and I did brush it, but y'all already know how life go with natural hair. So this is me at 4 o'clock in the morning, attempting to get my life because I have somewhere to be today. Woo! Hair like this, like how thick and stuff it is, y'all. The best thing you can do at this point is wet water bottle. Don't work with your hair dry like that, because it's not gonna be a good day. Not for you, not for your hair. But my hair being as dry as it is, I like to use some type of cream. It doesn't even have to be this one specifically. I gotta drink to that before I even get started. Natural women and what they have to go through in order to get summertime fine or anytime fine. I need to appreciate all women for taking the time out to do any of this, because we don't have to. I could be walking around just like doing whatever. There's a million and one things I could be doing besides doing my hair. So just appreciate this, period. Whether you're doing it at home, you going to the salon, wherever you going, or wherever she go, just know that there's a whole bunch of things that we could be doing besides walking around looking visually appealing for anybody other than ourselves. I'm just saying. To be honest, I'd be perfectly satisfied if I just put this up in a bun and it's all my real hair. So it's doing that. I am going to take my rat tail and I'm going to be splitting that one into 2 parts. Private selection cheesecakes, how they all got like different flavors. Oh, just the cheesecake hairstyle. I know you ain't gonna be searching for cheesecake hairstyle, so I'll make it findable. So, you see how it's curly like that? So, I'm just gonna be the one to tell you, my curl pattern is not the same all over my head. This, like what it's doing right now, is literally from that curl elongator that I was telling you about. One of my old friends' sisters told me about, and yeah, she was right. I love it. I don't know if I can really see myself doing a whole wash and go and then having to go through and apply it to each and every single piece. Like, you just seen how much hair I have, and this is a mission to even get it, you know, I don't want to say tamed, but this is a mission to even get it to do what it's doing right now. So that just kind of give you an idea. You see that? When I tell y'all I went ham on these bobby pins, like, I had a whole pack in my closet I didn't even realize I hadn't used yet. So I was too excited to put them all over the place. All right, guys, and that is the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.